Tell me this is not real, man. Tell me this is not real. I can't believe. Oh my God, bro. Tell me this shit is not real. Man, y'all know how I feel about Kobe, man. I literally just found out the news, like literally. My mom called me because my mom, like even my mom knows how I feel about Kobe. Like my mom was the first person that called. She was like, "Oh, you know what happened to Kobe?" I was like, "What you mean?" It's like Kobe died. I'm like, what? Kobe ain't died. I'm like, Kobe Bryant? She's like, yeah. I was like, whatever, mom. Like I really didn't believe her. Then she was like, nah, check the news. And I looked at my phone. That shit was crazy, man. That shit is, bro. I'm really trying to like not cry. I know they gonna sound weird and shit. Like I'm fucking shaking and shit, bro. That is. And my brother called me too. He said that I don't know if this is true or not, but his kids was in the helicopter with him. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't know. I'm just, oh man, I'm fucking shaking right now. I'm fucking shaking. We were literally just about to get something to eat at Cheesecake Factory. We ain't eat all day today. I was like, let's get something to eat. I haven't watched the news or nothing. We was about to go walk in Cheesecake Factory. My mom called me. I don't know what to say, bro. This is. I don't know what to say, bro. Like all my day ones, y'all know what Kobe is ranked to me. Like, bro, like y'all know, bro. Like I'm fucking shaking right now. I'm shaking. Oh shit! I cannot believe this. Oh my God, 2020. What the fuck? Oh man. I'm not even hungry no more. I'm trying so hard not to. I'm trying so hard not to cry, like for real. I'm fucking shaking right now, bro. That's crazy, man. Damn, his kids too. Oh my God. I really don't know what to say, bro. But yeah, I don't know if y'all heard the news. I'm sure y'all heard the news by now, but Kobe Bryant died in a helicopter accident.